Good morning kids, I'm Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Be safe, wear mask while coming out. Okay. Today we are going to learn lesson 4 book back exercises. Lesson 4 book back exercises we are going to learn, okay, in this video. After seeing this video, you will finish off your textbook exercises and you will write your question answers in your classwork. You will write only question answers alone in your classwork. Okay, only question answers alone in your classwork. No need of writing other exercises. Okay, your textbook fully completed with all informations. Nothing should be left out. Okay, so everything has to be filled out. Okay, no field should be blank, kept blank. Okay, only the question answers alone you will write in your classwork. Understand kids? Okay, now without delaying I am starting. The first question is, which of these describes the space between the text and the left or right margin of the page? Okay, left and right margin of the page. Indent only. Okay, the indent only describes the space between the text. Okay, then which of these is used to set the starting point of all lines in a paragraph from the margin? Okay, left indent. Okay, left indent only is the starting point. Left indent is the starting point of all the lines in the paragraph. Okay, then what is the default position of the tab stop? Default position tab stop. Okay, means what is the default space between every tab? Okay, tab to tab, what is the space? 0.5 inch. Okay, half an inch is the space between tab to tab. Which of these is not a type of page orientation? Page orientation means landscape and portrait. Okay, if you see your page in horizontal and vertical wise, then these are called as portrait and landscape. Okay, and hanging is not the page orientation. The question is not, okay, not a type of orientation, so hanging is the right one. Which of these option moves the cursor to the next line without breaking the paragraph? Okay, line break. Okay, line break will move the cursor to the next line without breaking the paragraph. Okay, so these are the 5 questions. Then the second exercise is, name the tab on the ribbon you will use to perform the following task in Microsoft Word. Means we have to specify only the tab on which tab we do all this work. That's it. To set indent. Okay, to set indent we choose the indent and spacing tab. Okay, we choose indents and spacing tab. Then to set page margin. Okay, to set page margins we use page layout. Okay, page layout. Then to arrange text in column, for that also we use page layout. To insert a header and footer, okay, to insert a header and footer we choose insert tab. Okay, the name itself specify we are going to insert, so we have to select the insert tab. To apply a page border, page layout and page border feature will help us. Okay, so these are the second exercise. The third exercise is, there are so many steps are there. Okay, we have to arrange them into the order. Number the steps in the correct order to insert a header. We are going to insert a header. Okay, the steps are clumsy now here. Okay, confused manner, so you have to arrange them in a meaningful order. The first step we are going to do is click on the insert tab. We have to click on the insert tab. The second is click on the header option. A drop down menu appears. Okay, if you click on the header option, a drop down menu will appear. On that, choose a header style from the menu. We have to choose one style, header style we have to choose. Okay, then the fourth step is type text in header. Okay, we have to type text in the header. Okay, then finally in the header and footer tool tab, click on the close header and footer option to close the header. Okay, in the header and footer tab, click on the close header and footer option to close the header. So these are all the 5 steps. Okay, in this order you have to write first 3 1 5 2 4. In this order we have to write all. Okay, then the fourth exercise is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A blank space between text and the sides of the page is called indent. Okay, indent. The blank space between the text and the sides of the page is called indent. In the margin space and a blank space between every word, so called as indent. Okay, a portrait is a vertical display of a text. If you see if you see your pad in a vertical manner, then this is called portrait. Okay, if you make it horizontal and you read, then it will become the landscape. So these are called the portrait and landscape. Okay, the new paragraph in a document can be inserted by pressing the enter key. Okay, as you keep typing a text, keep typing a text. If you do not press enter, as long as you do not press enter, it will be considered as a paragraph. As long as you press enter, the enter button, then this will, after pressing enter, this will become the second paragraph, that is new paragraph. Okay, so this is how it works. And the header and footer, the footer is a text or image that appears at the bottom margin of the page. Okay, we would have seen many books and all, the book name or the author name or the page number of the book always will be in the bottom side, either in the center, left side or right side it will be like. Okay, and always like the lesson name or the chapter name, everything will be there. Some information should be provided uniformly in all the pages in the bottom side. So this is called as footer. The same way header. In header also the author name or page number, anything will be there. Even our textbooks will have the same model. Okay, so the footer is nothing but the bottom area where the text or image appears at the bottom margin of the page. Okay, then you can apply a border and color to the pages in the document to make them look attractive. Okay, now a page is a blank page, so if you give a border, okay, if you give a border, any floral design or anything, okay, any rose floral design or some geometrical shape, okay, anything can be given as a border. Okay, so make it attractive. Okay, with a different color, with beautiful colors and all we can choose. Okay, then the next exercise is question answers. The question answers, there are 4 question answers. Okay, only these question answers has to be copied in your classwork, rest all should be there in your textbook only. Okay, just write only the question answers. Okay, the first questions: what are the various types of indents? Where will you find the options to set a hanging indent? Okay, what are all the various types are available in indent, and the hanging indent, where you will go and set it? Okay, these are the questions. The various type is left indent, right indent, first line indent, hanging indent. There are 4 types, are the types of indents. Okay, and to set the hanging indent, only 2 options. Okay, open paragraph group under the page layout tab. Okay, under the page layout tab, open the paragraph group. In the paragraph group, in the bottom right side corner, there will be a small icon. Okay, there will be a small icon, just click on there. Okay, click on there, a new dialog box will appear. Okay, under the on that dialog box you have to see there is a special option. Okay, there is a special option. Under the special option, in the indentation section, set the hanging indent. Okay, set the hanging indent. Only two styles indents will be there. One is line indent, first line indent, and hanging indent. Two will be there. Out of two, we have to select hanging indent. Okay, so these are the methods to set the hanging indent. Okay, so first question got over. Then the second question, write the steps to set page margin in a document. How to set a margin in a document? You see, many books have the margins, okay, in the left side, right side, and the header and footer are also a type of margin only, topper and bottom margin. Okay, step 1 is on the page layout tab. Okay, on the page layout tab, just click on the page layout tab. Step 2 is click on the page setup. Okay, page setup, then click on margin. Okay, click on margin, that's it. And you will give desired numbers and all. It will ask you in between these numbers and all, what are all the numbers, left side how much you want to leave, right side how much you want to leave, how much you want to leave for margin and footer and all informations it will ask you. But simple, these three steps are only involved. Okay, these three steps are only involved to make it shorter. Okay, then the third question, what is the difference between portrait and landscape orientation? Portrait and landscape orientation. Portrait means the document is displayed vertically. Vertically means in your phone itself, in your cell phone itself, if you keep your phone straight and read the text, then it is called portrait. Okay, keep your phone straight and read the text, called portrait. Okay, if you keep your cell phone, okay, horizontally. Okay, horizontally means the breadthwise. If you keep your phone in breadthwise in your hand and if you read the text, then this will become landscape. Okay, it is very simple. The document is displayed vertically in portrait, the document is displayed horizontally in the landscape. Only these are the difference between portrait and landscape. Even when you are taking printouts, okay, when you are taking printouts, the documents like letters and other documents like text and all, we can take portrait printout. But if you see the tables, some timetables or other kind of tabulated informations and all, normally we used to take in landscape mode only. Okay, so these are the difference, you can understand very simply. Then the fourth question, write the steps to insert a header in the Word document. Okay, write the steps to insert a header. Header means the upper margin, the header like like lesson name and page number and the author name and all, or some informations we are giving in the upper margin, no, so that is called as header. Okay, so how to set that? For that, we have to first click on insert tab. Okay, under insert tab, click on header option. Click on the header option, then choose the style. After choosing the header option, choose the style and type the text. Okay, just select the style, which style do you want. Okay, in some books the lesson name will be in center, in some books the lesson name will be in left hand side or right hand side, like that. Okay, so there will be many styles, you have to select as per your design. Okay, then select and type what should be there in the header. Okay, whatever you want to be there, you just select that. Okay, then close the header and footer option. After typing and all everything, you have to just close the header and footer option. That's it. These are the four steps involved to set a header in the Word document. Okay, so I hope yes, only these four questions are there in your textbook. Okay, hope you all would have understood, very clearly. Okay, only these four questions has to be written in your classwork, not the other exercises. Otherwise your textbook should be completed with full of information. All information should be there. Okay, all should be filled, no pages should be blank, kept blank. Okay, I think we have come to the end of this session. already 6 lessons have taught to you. The explanation videos have sent to you. Okay, already 6 lessons explanation videos have sent to you. This is 4th lesson. Next time you will get 5th lesson. Okay, 5th lesson book back exercises you will get. Okay, I'll try to post these documents in your class group also as a PDF. Okay, as a PDF also I'll try to post this. Okay, that's all for this session. We'll meet in next section. Okay kids, bye.